Hey guys, I'm going to show you the simplest meat alouette recipe you can ever make. Start off by cutting your bacon strips in half. No particular bacon, whatever you want. Lay your strips of bacon out on your pan or wherever. Get out your meat. In this case I got moose meat. And you can either, you can put your meat in the fridge and cut it up real nice and fancy and thin and all that kind of stuff. Or in this case, this is warm meat, so I just take it and there's no particular style whatsoever. Just kind of mangle it with the knife. Cut it up, little pieces, strips, whatever comes out, comes out. And actually, the more mangled it is, the easier it spreads out on the meat, on the bacon. Take your meat and just kind of spread it out. No rocket science here. Fill out your piece of bacon. Not the entire space on the bacon, but kind of judge it like that. You don't want your meat falling out over the edges. Okay guys, you get the idea here. I just spread the meat out very simply over each piece of bacon, half slice of bacon. Now you can take whatever spice you want. I just use good old Montreal steak spice. And you can put as much as you want. If you want it to be a bit hotter, you can put more. Just want a kind of a mild alouette. Don't put as much on. Keeping it simple. And that is it for what I do. I just take my bacon then and I simply roll them up. And if you had like a half a slice, there's a reason for that, because if you get a full size of bacon, they're usually too big, unless you want them that big, and that's a fair size of an alouette right there. And they do shrink up once they cook, but still, it's good for entertaining guests, putting it on the table. This is a great way to use up some meat you got in your freezer, from you had a moose and it's a few months old in your freezer, or any type of meat really. And that is it. I mean, just as simple as that. Minutes you got the alouettes made. Some people like to top the meat off with a bit of parsley like that, and it sticks on the bacon. A little bit of greases on the bacon pretty well. You can go ahead and do that, or not. Totally up to you. Makes it look a little bit better, I guess. Now when you want to cook these, you just either put them in the oven, and when the bacon looks like it's done, then the meat is done. Or you can just put them in a frying pan, and you can fry them up on low heat, and when the bacon looks cooked, it's done. Well, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the little short video I made here, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one for sure. Until then, happy alouette making.